going to do a simple chlorine indicator experiment with using tap water. You can also do this same test at home. You can get chlorine indicator at your local pool store. Just put a few drops of the chlorine indicator in your tap water. If it starts turning yellow, then you know that it does have chlorine content. Which, as you can see, the water is starting to turn yellow. The particular product that I'm demonstrating today is a product that's made from muscadine grape seed and the peel of the muscadine grape. I'm going to show how it neutralizes the effects of chlorine in water. As you can see, the water turned clear, which indicates that it did neutralize the chlorine. The reason I'm pouring the product into these additional glasses is to show you how effective one capsule of the muscadine grape seed and peel is. If I had 25 glasses here, I could continue this process and it would neutralize up to 25 glasses of water. Taking 2 of these capsules per day, you can imagine what it does, being that our cells are composed of 65 to 90% water, what this is doing for our bodies on the cellular level.